6, 7.
Что?
What the fuck? Nico, I will kill you and your family.
Please don't.
Okay, I will not because you say please, but next time be careful.
I got this.
This guy just opened
He just opened up a fucking case mid-clutch.
Guys, the round's been a minute and a half now.
I think we have a Russian in our team. Hello? Hello? Are you from Russia?
No, I'm from England, America.
That's so fun. Who's your president?
Michael Jordan.
Say it to me, yellow. Look at this, okay. Tell me I'm الكعبة. أقول لك أبوك من راح وخر على وجهك.
One kebab, please.
Is that Michael Jackson mixed with Hitler?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Adolf Hitler.